We are very happy to host this year Family Therapy Association Congress in Ljubljana. This year's topic is about systemic interference. So, what are your thoughts about the field of family therapy in current society?
I think now more than ever the need for family therapy is very evident. I think what we've lived through in the pandemic has really affected family members and affected our whole idea of what it is to work, what it is to go to work, to stay at home. We are living through a time of ontological insecurity, and I think that really comes across in the work that family therapists are doing. Of being able to adapt, being able to provide support to family members in times of real crisis. So this is why I think family therapy is really important at this moment in time.
I think we are very much needed as a profession because of what's happened in the pandemic, and also the conflict in Europe brought about by the invasion of Ukraine and the consequent huge numbers of refugees from that country coming out of Ukraine and having to be accommodated in countries like Poland and Czech Republic. These strains, the pandemic, of course. I mean, all those strains that bring about a lot of worry about what happens within families. And I think we are very much a needed profession, and it's very important that our profession is recognized as a psychotherapy in European countries, so that we can do our work and make a difference to people's lives.
There are a lot of students in this conference. What are your message for the future generation of family therapists?
I think my message would be I'm really excited to see what they're going to do. I'm really excited to see how they adjust. This particular cohort of family therapists have had to do so many changes to their training, moving online, coming back in person. I think that means that they're going to be very resilient for whatever comes forward to us in the next few years, and I think that's really important that we encourage that resilience, we encourage that creativity. So I think for me the linkage between family therapy and art and being creative is really important, because that was at the foundation of our field, and now it's kind of coming back again, that we've gone through this period of looking at providing our evidence base. Now we need to get creative again. And this I really find interesting.
Stay with it, don't give up, work hard, study hard. We will support you, us older people who've been in the field for a long time. And you know, there's a lot of creativity out there, and I think we need to just release it and make sure that people feel they will be welcome within the profession, yeah, keep up the good work.